My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications coming from the website ourhotfeed.com. Ourhotfeed.com is the website that tries to trick customers into clicking on a special allow button to make them subscribed to the multiple ads in the form of push notifications. But to click on allow means that the browser will be hijacked and infected. This means you will start receiving a lot of multiple and really intrusive advertisements in the right part of your computer screen. Some of these ads you may see displayed in the right part, and remember that interacting with all these ads is dangerous because if you click on them, you may be brought to some other shady and deceptive websites of a bad reputation. These websites may lead you to the pages that promote adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and other threats. So, if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button, you should urgently fix your browser, and this is the way you can do it. Access the menu, go to Settings, find Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings, go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Most likely you will find this malicious site called ourhotfeed.com. So you must remove this junk site from the list. We also recommend that you additionally research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.